Greetings everyone and good evening. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. In this video we're going to talk about the First Dragon War. It is a war that spanned 350 years, where the chromatic dragons and the orc allies tried to annihilate the elves and the good dragons, where the metallic dragons were almost annihilated, but with outside help they were able to stop their utter annihilation. Now let's delve in. Between the years 3900 PC and 3550 PC, the First Dragon War occurred. So in this series I'm not going to go over the details of the war, I'm just going to summarize it for you. In a different video in the future I'm going to make a video about that, don't worry. Moving on. So the two main reasons that started this war were the first, the elves moving into their new territory. They started to expand and they expanded into the orcs' territory. And then of course there is the red dragon, Chromatia, who started moving her orc forces into place and attacking the elves. But let's be honest, the war was inevitable. You had the forces of good on one side, the forces of evil on the other, and the forces of evil had a doctrine of conquer everything, kill and slaughter whatever you see, and take over the world. Both sides could not coexist. There had to be conflict. During this war, 3 of the 5 metallic dragons were slayed in ambush by the chromatic ones. The evil dragons had a big advantage over the dragons of good. The evil ones had magic. After the ambush that killed 3 of their brothers, Aurikan the golden dragon and Darlantan the silver both understand that without magic they will not win this war. Aurikan the Gaul takes with him 3 elven sages and flies out to the realm of the gods in search for magic. While that was happening, Darlantan and his elven friends were still fighting the orcs and their dragons, and through cunning ambushes they were able to kill a few of them. No matter how hard they fought, they were always on the losing side, until finally, one day, Aurikan returned with the 3 elven sages, carrying with them dragon stones. I just want to put out there that dragon stones and dragon orbs are 2 completely different things. Just so you know. Let's move on. With the help of the dragon stones and the metallic dragons, the elves are able to capture the essence of the chromatic dragons, taking them out of the picture. And with them gone, the elves are finally able to change the tide of war and beat back the orcs into the mountains, and by that, winning the First Dragon War. And that, my dear friends, was the First Dragon War. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one. Have a lovely evening.